Hi everybody. So we're gonna look at how to fix a link that becomes it just gets out of place, either by somebody grabbing it and moving it, or well, in most cases that's really what happens is somebody grabs it and moves it on accident. So in this example here, we can see some diffusers, but there's a lot of lights in this model. There's a few things wrong with it, like maybe that diffuser isn't where it's supposed to be, but um, but right now what we need is the lights. There's a whole bunch of lights in there. We don't see any of them. Um, One of the reasons is because this link has been shifted down or up 330 seconds for some weird reason. So it's not pinned, nor is it using shared coordinates. So it got out of whack that way. So what we're gonna do is tab into it, grab it, and then you can see it's not set to shared. And if we right click it, we can come up here and reposition to project base point and reposition to internal origin. So it all depends on how you set up your project. But for this example, we're going to do reposition to project base point. And then you'll see the lights appear. So there you go. So there's the lights. They are where they're supposed to be. They've came in. They're right flush with the ceiling now, and they're not sitting above the ceiling. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if there's a different way that you've tried to approach this. I found it really useful because it allows me to just quickly, switch it back if it ever gets, too crazy. And then, if I do find it like that and I didn't set up the link, I always like to pin it in place. Coordinates kind of lock it in place somewhat, but pinning it's always useful. If you don't have shared coordinates set up. And then, when worst comes to worst, if it does get unpinned and shifted, you can right click it and reposition it back to where it was. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.